My name is Chris. I've been in my residence for 17 years. I've been trying many different options on my gutters. I have to climb up on a ladder and get to them and clear them out on a yearly basis, sometimes 2, 3 times a year. I am 60 years old and this is just not intelligent for me to do this. I found leaf filters in a flyer in my newspaper, and I called them to get a quote, and they came out very promptly and set me up, and the program was very efficient, very clean. I love the fit that they put on my gutters. They've installed a beautiful system at a fairly reasonable price. They did it within 24 hours of the initial meeting that we had, and it just really is an awesome system. I encourage everybody to try and get